i-tweet engiyibone ku-X efakwe uProjileka ifundeka kanje. I'm listening to Afternoon Drive right now. Lux Gidane came across as a bully when he told Zinhle and TLG, "Hayi suka, nihlelele nje ukuphikisa nina apha e-SABC," simply because they disagreed with him about owning spaza shops in South Africa. Umhlobo wenene seems to have a pattern of arrogant presenters who take pleasure in talking over and undermining their colleagues. That is what Projileka said. Heavy, ne? As most of you or some of you will know, I started listening to a lot of Umhlobo wenene recently, and iDrive enokhatha showing enjoy kakhulu presenter uLux Gidane noZinhle kanye noTLG. I'm really loving the show, and personally I have not picked it up. Lokhu akhuluma ngakho uProjileka angikaze ngipick up. I've been just enjoying the show. I think it has beautiful features, and I actually thought uZinhle and Lux Gidane have good chemistry. But since since uProjileka efake le post, baningi abakhomentayo. Abanye bayavumelana noProjileka, abanye bayaphikisana naye. Ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi wena ucabangani. Mangabe kuwukuthi umlaleli womhlobo wenene, ngabe lokhu okushiwo uProjileka likhona iqiniso kulona? Ukuthi uLux Gidane is a bully, is bullying his colleagues? Is there any truth to that? Awukushona ema comment section ukuthi wena ezumlaleli womhlobo wenene, ezumphulaphuli womhlobo wenene, ukuthi mawulalele khona yini okukuzwe uzwe ngathi kunokuba yibhuli okwenziwa uLux Gidane. Kodwa bakhomentile abantu kule post, ngoba nathi njenge podcast radio and stuff siyipostile. Sathi uma besiposta sasithola ama comment. Usiyabonga Mthathi uthi hayi suka, uLux noZ no TLG are professional and bayayazi into ebangelela show ibe nkulu elahlobo. It's not Facebook clout. Lux is so experienced, and we know about the awards zakhe ngenxa yomsebenzi wakhe. The moment you have to use other people's names to get attention, vele uyazi akho yakho. So that's what Siyabonga is saying. Siyabonga is saying there's no truth to this. He's saying there's absolutely no truth to this. And then Elomzi Kuba, uthi a good man like him, never. Unyauza Faku, uthi in one of the podcasts with Pastor Nozeu, Lux himself said he is a very toxic person to work with. He said he's used to always leading. He was referring to his fallout with KC August. To me, that shows it's clear he is a bully. And then Usthembile Dododo uthi KC was right about him. So these are some of the comments. And baningi ebebe referenza fallout ka Lux no KC. Bethi ingoba uLux is indeed a bully. But those are some of the comments ebesiwabona ku social media. Uma ngabe kuwukuthi umlaleli womhlobo wenene, please go into the comment section ungazisa ukuthi wena ucabangani ngale story, and ngabe likhona yini iqiniso kulokhu okushiwoyo nama comments esengiwafundile. I'd love to know your thoughts and views. Asike sibheke kwistory sesibili. Istory sesibili